Hey guys, welcome to SocialNet. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change the email on Instagram using your mobile device. Many Instagram users are looking for ways to change the email on the Instagram account. You may also want to change your email address for different regions, like whether it has been hacked or you have forgotten your password. The process is straightforward and easy. Many Instagram users register with false email or old email addresses they no longer use. Even though it might be a good thing to use fake email for security concerns, there may be different issues in the future. If you have used a fake email address to register your IG account, you may have issues recovering your Instagram account in case of a tragedy. So if your Instagram is linked to one of your old email addresses which you no longer have access to, you must consider changing it to prevent losing your Instagram account. Now you can change your Instagram email address by watching this video very carefully and following the steps accordingly. Firstly, you need to download the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once installed, log in with your existing account and tap on it to open. Now here at the bottom right corner, you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. Here in your profile page, you can see the edit profile option available. Tap on it. Now if you go down to the bottom, you can see a personal information settings. Go and tap on it. Here you can see the provided email address for your Instagram account. Now in order to change this, tap on it and then enter the new email address. Now once you have done typing your new email address, go and tap onto the done button that is on the top right hand corner. Now once done, Instagram will send a verification link to your email address that you just entered. So go to the respective email and verify the link. And once you verify it, you will be able to access your account with a new email. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.